Hey everybody, Barry here again. It's pretty windy, so I'll keep it short. While we're outside, anyway. This is a truck. It's got a big old lift kit in it. I don't really like that. Not my type of vibes. But, well, if anybody wants to buy a lift kit, here's your chance. I have no idea what it is. 4, 6 inch probably. It's got that. Whatever that is. Flex shocks. I don't know. Anyway, this is framed for Desperado, hopefully. And I'm gonna go bring it in the shop. It's got a 4.8 in it that blew up. From here, the frame looks pretty good. Let's look in here. Oh, door handle works. Win. Okay, cloth seats. Yep, of course it has a camouflage seat cover. Why wouldn't it? Yep, all there. And the door opens and closes. Holy. I'm having thoughts. I've always wanted to build a single cab short box, all-wheel drive with a Cadillac Escalade front clip on it, which I have all that. And then I'm like, this would be a sweet daily. I've got a wife and 2 girls. Hard to fit all that in a single cab. So this is an extended cab potential. Here's the single cab that I have taken off ready to go on the frame. But then I'm like, do I want to live that 4-door life? That pan is absolutely cooked, so that's making me really not want to do it. Rocker panels are gone. Obviously I won't be using any of that. But then I thought maybe I could do a crew cab. I don't know. Anyway, it's really windy, but let me know your thoughts, because I'm indecisive. Let's pull this thing inside. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but hopefully it self-steers. Also, hopefully it doesn't ruin my tires. Oopsie daisies. Oh, please stay on. Oh, it worked. Did not expect that. That was so sketchy, I cannot believe that worked. Yep. Well, hey, it's in. Took a little bit of maneuvering, but hey, it's in. It's ready to go on the lift. That tire's a little bit freaky looking, but whatever. Oh yeah, that's probably why. Stop. Stay. I'm giving her all she's got, Captain. That took way longer than I expected it to. That being said, it would have taken a lot longer if I didn't have a forklift. God, it's got this squat thing going, doesn't it? What did he call it? Carolina squat or California, or I don't know what it's called. West Virginia squat. Yeah, that's a lot. Way too much Chev, way too much lift kit. Look at this junk in here. Look, it's got blocks because the CV axles are not long enough now. Why do you do these things to your trucks, lift kit people? It's a monster. Now, I'm not very tall, so maybe it's just a lot of work for me to get up in this thing, but I don't want to have to climb up in, I don't want somebody to throw me a rope ladder so I can get in my own truck. I like stuff low. But look, has anybody in the Rust Belt ever seen a Chev truck with a bumper on it that wasn't completely rusted through? Makes me want to use it now. I don't have a good bed. This one's not bad. This side anyway. The other side's not so hot, but that side's not great, but hey. There is sheet metal. Oh yeah. Now that feels a lot more like home. Let's get it on the lift and size up this frame. I'm terrified that it's going to be exactly like every other Chev truck frame that I've had, but what have I got to lose? I haven't looked at this frame yet. Let's do it together. So we can all be disappointed. One thing I do kind of like actually is these dual exhausts. I do like that. It's gross and it's rusty, but hey, it's MagnaFlow. Comes up duals to nice muffler. So that would calm down on the craziness. Do we want to calm down on the craziness now? Maybe not. Yeah, that's cool, man. Still got the ting-tings. It's solid. Yep, somebody got the converters. Wasn't me, but whatever. Wow. Wow, like look how much craziness there is with this whole lift kit racket. Diff drops and this. Those sway bar links are heavy duty though. Oh my. Fox Racing shocks. Nice. Haven't been bottomed out for a while. I guess the shock goes down to right there. Yep, that's hard on the gear. Good thing I didn't. Oh, that's not serious. It would have just machined itself flat. Self-clearancing tires. It's not bad. Ooh, that's heavy. That is heavy duty. BDS lift. I wonder what size it is. Would that control arm normally bolts to there? Would that mean it's like a 5-inch lift? 4? These are my Escalade wheels. They didn't come with it. Oh yeah, frame. Let's look at that. I don't often see a chassis sticker from the plant. Good back this far. Like, of course, yeah, it's scaly. This is definitely not what you call a southern US truck. Oh, I was worried about that. That looks like undercoat. Oh, that's something. It's not scaly rust. Wow. Oh, I'm liking this so far. Under there is a little bit fishy, but I'm gonna pull the gas tank out and see what's in there. Look at this, undercoated. Ooh, very nice. Very blurry. Don't blur. There you go. Be clear. Wow. It still has the cross member here. Ooh, that cross member is still there. I don't see that very often. This may be a contender, assuming he didn't put 2 cords of wood in the back of it and give her the twisties. Wow. Wow, that's still there. Wow. Ooh, we're doing good so far. The Escalade frame was absolutely gone here. I had to put plates in the whole way up. Still got twisty bars, which is like whatever. I'm over it now. I was going to put coil springs in, but first bad spot. Not even horrible. Completely doable. Completely doable. The top isn't rusted away. Fuel lines look good. Oh yeah, man, this is good soup. Looks decent up there. I really would have liked to heard this to see what that exhaust sounds like. I bet it sounds great. Magnaflow is amazing. Oh my gosh, look how long these shocks are. That's like 2 days long. Wow. Struck. So far so good. I'm gonna pull the pan and the cab off it. Really decide what I'm gonna do with this. My heart is set on a single cab short box, all-wheel drive Escalade. It's Desperado. Eddie Stanford, Crash Stanford, made me badges for this thing. I'm getting very excited that I'll be able to put them on. That's awesome. I'm gonna have a truck to put Eddie's badges on. That's the whole point of this build. Yes. Oh, so excited. So excited. That side of the pan, that's almost, that's like thumbnail ready. One thing I like to see is the gap from here all the way up here is pretty well even. The belt line across here is even. That means the cab mounts or the pan mounts aren't completely gone. One thing I'm really interested to see is, will this cab mount and that cab mount line up for a single cab? If it does, that's great. And then I can just chop out the frame right here and move all this ahead. Because it already has a 6.5 foot bed. I don't have to touch the back unless I need to do some framework. Just move that ahead, that however many inches it is. It's very, very exciting. Super, super exciting. The nice thing, it's all factory. Put another engine in it, which I have two back here, a 6-liter and a 5.3 with a cam. And then over here, the centerpiece of the Desperado. Twinsies. Or the, I don't remember what that is. S475? GT45. GT45 that my wife bought me. It's fresh out of the box, never used. That's going on it. I think the Twinsies I'll keep for something else. Maybe a motorcycle. A lot of talking, not a lot of working. We got a contender. I think I'm going to end the video here. It's just a short one, but we're talking about plans. I need your guys' help. Crew cab shorty short or single cab 6.5 foot bed. This is the truck that I've been waiting on. This is the frame that I've been waiting on. I got a lot of undoing to do with the lift kit, and if somebody nearby wants to buy this thing, like, shoot me a number. I really don't care. I just buy it, buy the lift kit. You can have it for a good price. 5.3 or 6-liter, turbo up here, all-wheel driving. Take transfer case out of the Escalade that I got outside. Front diff out of the Escalade that's outside. Next year's fun truck. I'm all done. This was a short one, I understand. It's gonna be fun. So thanks for checking out the channel. Thanks for YouTube members, subscribers, and patrons. If you want to check out my Patreon, it's patreon.com/stationroadratrods. My YouTube members link is down here. And that's 2 really good ways to help support building junk like this that goes fast and have fun with. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody.